What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Gonna do a quick demo of Agenify AI, doing quick social media video for my big commissions. So you'd want to use the Social Media Master. Target audience, demographics, age. So my big commissions would be entrepreneurs. Goes pro platform for generated content. Instagram. Specific keywords you focus on. Make money online. Commissions. Main goal. Traffic. Generate results. It's going to give us a full social media post with a short form video script, which is cool. Unlock your earning potential from anywhere in the world. Explore cutting-edge strategies to earn commissions and tap into lucrative online business world. Discover the secrets successful entrepreneurs use to create sustainable income streams. Click through to elevate your online presence and start making money today. Not bad, not bad. And then here's your copy this. That's your short form script. Shoot on over to Let's go. Okay. Excuse me. Videos. Master videos. You want to do text description. Just paste what we copied from the last one in there. Go in. You can change your hype, sales, story time, announcement, inspirational, random facts. Do a hype. Go in advanced settings to let you tweak pretty much every part of the video. You can adjust to your fitting, whatever you want. Voice, music, we'll do pop. Turn that down. And then captions. Change the color of the script. Do orange. Change the orientation. Everything pretty much. Go to scroll stopping. You can put in a logo. Put your guys' logo in there for the video. It'll be at the top corner of the video. The logo maker. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Monogram combination. Just put in your business or your product name. If you're doing a logo for, I don't know, Cologne. Cologne company. Say it was called J. Bellows Cologne. Designer Cologne company. Not bad, not bad. Pretty slick, pretty slick. That's the logo maker. Let's go back over here, see what the video's doing. Video's done. See what she come up with.
Imagine transforming your daily grind into a thriving venture without leaving your home. Discover the secret to joining a community of successful entrepreneurs shifting the digital landscape. Uncover the strategies that empower you to earn online with unmatched flexibility and freedom. This is your moment to redefine success and take control of your financial destiny. Get ready to elevate your potential and craft a life you love. Swipe up now and embark on your journey to financial liberation and empowered living.
Not bad, 28 seconds. I prefer actually a little bit shorter than that, about 15, 20 seconds for social media. Everybody's attention span these days is pretty short. But what's sweet about it is you can go in afterwards and you can tweak and change any part of it. You can add scenes. Like at the end here, it didn't have a call to action, so you can just pop one in there. Empowered living. Visit. Regenerate.
Into a thriving venture without leaving your home. Online with unmatched flexibility. Visit mybigcommissions.pro. Imagine transforming your daily grind into a thriving venture without leaving your home. Discover now and embark on mybigcommissions.pro.
Pretty sweet.